Amazing breed. I'm going to eat it. My kids want to eat it with just coleslaw. What is sauce mayo bread at the moment. God, for another beautiful day of delicious people. And it's nice for the leftover to eat it with some sandwich or roll tomorrow for flavor. Fun snack for lunch. Whatever leftover, keep it for snack for lunch tomorrow. Thank God for another beautiful, awesome, blessing day. People always thank God for the food He gave without His creation. We hear nothing to eat. Thank you so much, and God bless you always, people.